clarity and hygiene.
We're seeing a steady state here at the...
Roger. Bay 2 is clear for the palm kernel load.
Paperwork confirmed, seal intact. Go ahead and connect the lines.
Tanker approaching Bay 2. Confirmed safety checks are completed.
Confirmed. Bay 2 is clear. Proceed slowly.
The FFA levels are within the acceptable range for this batch.
And the color purity reading looks consistent with the standard.
Monitor the viscosity levels here. We need a slight adjustment on the main valve.
Roger that. Adjusting now. The automated sequence is holding steady. We have confirmation on the transfer from the tanker.
Adjusting the flow now. Readings are stable.
Through meticulous filtration and stringent monitoring, the purity of the oil is guaranteed, showcasing the precision of this modern facility. Utilizing advanced stainless steel filter presses, the oil undergoes meticulous purification, ensuring unparalleled clarity and hygiene.
Data input complete. The load cells match the target weight. Confirmed. Activating the batch sequence.
We have a consistent flow rate at 0.4.
Good. Let's maintain current pressure levels and monitor the viscosity.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It's fluctuating more than expected.
Adjusting the dosing pump now. Levels are stabilizing.
We've reached the target temperature. Yes, it's holding steady at 110 Celsius. Temperature is steady at 105 Celsius. Confirmed. Pressure holding stable.
La temperatura está estable, más de 100 grados.
Confirmado. Los niveles de presión son óptimos.
We're seeing a steady state here at the current temperature.
Confirmed. The viscosity is within parameters.
The temperature is stabilizing at 70 degrees.
Good. The conversion rate looks optimal now. It looks like the separation is complete. The interface is sharp.
Yes, the purity levels are exactly where we need them. The timer looks good.
And the levels are stable. We can sign off on this phase.
We have achieved separation. The flow is clear.
Acknowledged. Transfer to the processing unit is active. Temperature is stable. This sample looks promising for the final wash.
Agreed. Let's run the titration now.
Let's fine-tune the texture parameters. It's still slightly grainy.
Agreed. I'll adjust the mixing speed and check the consistency sensor again.
The viscosity reading is slightly high here.
Okay, adjusting the flow rate now. That should smooth it out.
The ribbons are consistent. Feed rate is perfect.
Understood. Understood. I've logged the quality control check.
Vacuum pressure is stable at negative 90 kPa.
Confirmed. The mass is fully deaerated. We can proceed.
Pressure is holding steady at 50 bar.
Good. Log the readings and maintain the current speed.
The plotter settings are stable. We are maintaining the correct velocity.
Confirmed. The width is exactly as specified. The weight consistency is holding at 150 grams.
Very good. The sensors are perfectly calibrated. Check the alignment on the feeder. Looks good from here. Keep it running.
Look at this spike on the throughput analysis.
That's the rejected bar from earlier. It's already being recycled.
Everything looks accurate here. The print quality is holding steady.
Here at the distribution center, our team ensures that every pallet of Lux Premium is accounted for and loaded efficiently for transit to market.